Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I want to share with you guys my journey in applying a YouTube partner program in YouTube. November 8, I received an email from YouTube that I am accepted into the YouTube partner program. That was the one of the blessed day of my life, guys, since I received this email. For almost 3 years since 2019, I upload videos. So for now, it's the best day of my life. And thank God for this achievement. Let's start. There's the step how to apply YouTube Partner Program using your mobile phone only. And I want to share it with you so that you can relate in how to apply the YouTube Partner Program. So for YouTube Partner Program, you should have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Also, you need to check your channel if there is no copyrights like song or videos or music. And then after I receive an email from YouTube that I have passed the requirements, so you need to click the apply now in the YouTube studio, and there's a review partner program terms and conditions. So you need to fill out and provide necessary information about your YouTube channel and your personal information also. And click the yes, I have read and accept the agreement on the slides. You should read carefully so that you may understand the terms and conditions of the YouTube Partner Program. And there's an option there, guys. Remember, you need to input the correct address so that YouTube can email your PIN to your correct address. So just be careful to input your correct address, guys, and information. You can also do it on your PC, but also you can apply using your mobile phone also. You need to install the YouTube Studio application only. So after you had read the terms and conditions, click yes, and number 1 is done na. Tapos second is for AdSense. Sign for Google AdSense. Kung meron na kayong Google account, you need to proceed. Kung wala pa, create an account sa AdSense and fill up pa rin yung necessary information. So pangatlo is the confirmation from YouTube. Number 3 states that YouTube will review your channel to make sure that it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. And there you go. After 2 days lang, guys, I received an email na po that I was a YouTube partner already. Thank God! Sobrang saya ko talaga, guys. And November 11 po yun. So, eksakto talaga, 11/11. Grabe, unexplainable talaga yung feeling, guys. As in, parang excited and kinakabahan kung paano siya gawin. So, ito lang pala yung gagawin. And let's set it up and lagyan na natin ng ads yung ating mga videos. Sa YouTube Studio ng phone is meron siya nakalagay dyan na $sign. So, naka-turn off siya. Ngayon, gagawin natin, i-turn on na natin siya. And as much as possible, I suggest na dapat lahat i-click nyo po yung box na yan. Yung sa types of ads po. Yung display ads, overlay ads, sponsored ads, skippable ads, and non-skippable ads. Dapat i-check nyo dapat lahat para is malagyan siya lahat ng ads yung inyong videos po para hindi sayang yung mga ads na dapat ilagay po sa inyong videos. And mas maganda pala na i-try ko po sa PC dahil sa PC kasi is pwede na siyang ilahatan or by bulk po na ilagay po natin yung ads na lahat po is i-check lahat. Sa using YouTube Studio kasi sa phone is isa-isahan natin siyang lalagyan ng monetization ads. So, mas madali kung gamit nyo po ay PC. So, there you go. Na-turn on na yung kanyang monetization and or yung ads. And you can click the save sa taas. And congrats, meron ng ads yung videos. Yay! Thank you for watching!